Let's take the necessary ingredients. An egg, a nut, great! We've got all the ingredients. Let's chop them. Right. Well done. Way to go. Well done. Way to go. Well done. Way to go. Well done. Right. Hooray! We've chopped all the ingredients. Time to put our dish together as a jigsaw puzzle. Way to go. Wrong. Way to go. Right. Hooray! You've made. Now it's time for a snack. Tap a dish to have it. Well done! It was delicious and fun.